Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add variants to a product in Printful. The first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your updated Printful dashboard, which we have here. So from the sidebar menu, which is at the so go ahead and click on stores. Then once you click on stores, the next thing to do is to select your connected store. So I have this store, and that is Amanda store, which is live. So this is literally the store that I just created, but I don't at the moment have a product inside my store. So let's say that you have the store. The next thing is to, if you have multiple stores, just scroll or search to find the product that you want to edit in your store. So I don't have any product, so that's why that's not in the show, but I can just go to my product. So publisher first, so click on go to my product, and that's going to take you to my products page where you're going to find the products that you have. I don't have any product here, so select the product. Now, once you click on the product listing, go ahead and click the edit button, which is a pencil icon next to it. This opens the product editor inside Printful. Now, within the editor, look for and click add variant. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear with options. Select the new colors, sizes, or both you want to add. Once selected, click choose mockups to proceed. In the mockup selection screen, review the mockups for each new variant. Pick the ones that showcase each variant best. Select flat lay, lifestyle, or model photos. Click submit to store when you're happy with selections. Now it's optional to do this. Just you can adjust the retail price or profit margin for the newly added variant. Then finally click submit to store again if prompted. This updates your listing with the new variant live. So go to your e-commerce platform like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or Wix to confirm new variants are visible and selectable. For platforms outside these four, like BigCommerce and Squarespace, you will need to use the template workaround. But since you're likely using the supported one, then you're good. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.